These Tesla storage bins are a product I wish I had much sooner for my Tesla Model Y. They're custom fitted and they just pop right into the back of your Tesla, into the two open right and left sides. And what's really nice about them is the interior of the Tesla is pretty much all fabric, so if you spill anything, it's going to be much harder to clean up. And when I was living out of my car, I kind of used a quick and dirty standard trash bin, but it's warped because of that, and it didn't use this space very well. And also, it didn't come with this really nice cover that comes with these two storage bins. It matches the top of it. It pops right over the open side. The top of it is a nice material that's pretty much the same exact as the interior of the Tesla. And on the other side, it's a very hard plastic. So when you have these popped on top, you can easily rest anything that's heavy on top of this. When I was living out of my car and I had a lot of stuff in there, sometimes stuff would roll around and they'd still drop down in these sides. And it was a little hassle to kind of find wherever it went because I had a lot of other stuff in there like food. So to get these in, you just, it can take a little finagling since they're such a custom fit, very snug. So you need to make sure you're grabbing the right one for the right side, pop it in like that, and then the cover fits over nice and easy. If you're picking up groceries, a lot of them, that might be good for carrying some stuff you might pick up. But once again, just on road trips, really nice to have if you're going over different elevations, if you have shampoo, cans or bottles of any liquids, that provides you much easier solution to clean if anything does spill, opposed to this fabric. These bins, they come from a company called Yes Luck. I've shared one of their products in the past and I've been pretty happy with the products I've gotten from them. You can find these Tesla storage bins. I'm going to leave a link to them in the description, and I believe you get a 20% discount as well. I'll provide other resources, and as always, good to shop around. If you have any questions whatsoever, I've driven over 40,000 miles in my Tesla Model Y. I had bought it new, but yeah, feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and please subscribe to see more guides and reviews in the future. I hope to see you again soon.